Hello everyone, I am Kapil Garg from Applied Science Department of RPIT College Campus Karnal. In our today's lecture, we will discuss about the work of friction. Let us start our today's topic, work of friction. Clear? In the reference of frame of reference between two surfaces does no work because there is never displacement between the surfaces. In the same reference frame, kinetic friction is always in the direction opposite to the motion and does negative work. However, friction can do positive work in certain frame of reference. Clear? आगे देखो. One can see this by placing a heavy box on a rug, then pulling on the rug quickly. In this case, the box slides backwards relative to the rug but move forward relative to the frame of reference, in which the floor is stationary. Thus, the kinetic friction between the box and the rug accelerates the body in the same direction that the box moves, doing positive work. The work done by friction can translate into deformation, wear and heat that can affect the contact surface properties. This can be beneficial as in polishing. जो वर्क होगा फ्रिक्शन का इज़ यूज टू मिक्स एंड जॉइन मटेरियल सच एज द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्रिक्शन वेल्डिंग. ठीक है. हार्डर कोरिजन पार्टिकल्स काट बिटवीन मैटिंग सरफेस. exacerbates wear of frictional force. Bearing scission and failure may result from excessive wear due to the work of friction, as surface are worn by work due to the friction. Fit and surface finish of object may degrade until it no longer function properly. So this is all about the work of friction. ठीक है. Work of friction is basically for the frame of reference. When we do work, the static friction does no work. ठीक है. जैसे हम फ्लोर पे से अगर किसी चीज़ को खींचते हैं तो फ्लोर हमारा वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. हमारा वर्क किसने किया? हमारा वर्क किया है जो हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को वहाँ से क्या किया है, स्लाइड किया है ना. द फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन दैट सरफेस इज नोन एज द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. ठीक है. फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस हमारे वो बता रहा है. I hope all of you understand about it. In our next lecture we will discuss about the coefficient of static friction. Thank you to all of you for watching this video.